I will start recording. Okay. So, good morning, students. Today, we are going to solve examples on K-map. That is how to simplify the Boolean expression using K-map. That is what we will be doing today. Okay. So, let us start with the example. Okay. Determine the minimized expression in SOP form for given truth table. So what is given to you? Truth table is given to you. Okay. So I will have to draw the truth table. हे माझ्या सोबत लिहून घ्या बरं का हे सगळं. So this is A, B, C and output. Okay. So A, B, C are the inputs and output of this is also given. So we will have to start from 0, 0, 0. Go according to the combination 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and our last combination is 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now let us see output for 0, 0, 0 is 0. Okay. For all remaining up to 5, there is 1. For 1, there is 1. For 2, there is 1. For 3, there is 1. For 4, there is 1. For 5 also, there is 1. And for 6, there is 0. And for 7, again, there is 1. So such a truth table is given to you. So this truth table indicates some logic function. Okay. So we have to simplify this logic function and we have to find the simplified Boolean expression for this logic function. And we have to draw the simplified diagram for that, logic diagram for that. Okay. So first of all, how to solve this equation? First, what you have to do is you have to draw K-map for truth table. How many variables are there, students? How many variables are there? Can anybody tell me how many variables are there?
3.
3 variables are there. Okay. So if 3 variables are there, how many cells are there in the K-map? How many cells are there in the K-map? 2 to the power 3. It comes out to be 8. 8 cells are there. Okay. So Let us write variables here. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, AB, and AB bar. So like this we are writing AB variables, and for C variables what you have to do is you have to write C bar and C. Now let us write these variables in the in terms of zeros and ones. In terms of zeros and ones. A bar B bar means it is 0 0. Okay. A bar B means it is 0 1. AB means it is 1 1. And AB bar means it is 1 0. C bar means 0. And C means 1. Okay. Now, while writing the output values, in the K map, you can observe that there are only 2 zeros. So it will be easy to write these 2 zeros, and then you have to write 1 at the remaining place. Okay. So where there is 0 for 0 0 0. Okay. 0 0 0 means A bar, B bar, C bar, 0 0 0. So here we have to write a 0. This output is 0. So therefore this particular cell is 0. Now if you come to this, here you can see A, B is 1 and C is 0. That means it is A, B, C bar. A, B, C bar. So here it is A, B and here it is C bar. Means this cell will be 0. Okay. And now remaining cells will be 1. Remaining cells will be 1. हे कसं काढलं समजलं का? बघा बरं का, हे समजलं पाहिजे. ही महत्वाची स्टेप आहे आपली. 0 0 0 ला काय आहे? 0 आहे म्हणून इथे 0 लिहिलं. 0 0 1 ला काय आहे? 0 0 1. 0 0 ला 1 आहे म्हणून इथे 1 लिहिलं. ओके. नंतर 0 1 0 ला काय आहे? 0 1 0 याला काय आहे? 1 आहे. ते पण 1 लिहिलं. नंतर काय येतं आपलं? 0 1 1. ओके. म्हणजे 0 1 1 म्हणजे ही सेल. इथे पण 1 लिहिलं पाहिजे. त्याच्यानंतरचं काय येतंय आपलं? 1 0 0. 1 0 0 म्हणजे ही सेल. ती पण 1च आहे. ओके. त्याच्यानंतर काय येतं? 1 0 1. 1 0 1 सुद्धा 1च आहे आपलं. ते 1 लिहिलं. नंतर 1 1 0 काय येतं बघा? 1 1 0. इथे 0 लिहिलं. आणि 1 1 1 ला काय येतं? 1 येतं म्हणून इथे 1 लिहिलं. हे समजलं का सगळ्यांना? मला रिस्पॉन्स द्या. हा. आता हे झालं के मॅप तयार करणं. ओके. आता आपल्याला काय करायचंय? ऍडजसंट 1चं ग्रुपिंग करायचंय. ऍडजसंट 1चं ग्रुपिंग करायचंय. त्याच्याशिवाय इक्वेशनचं सिम्प्लिफिकेशन होणार नाही. So how you are going to group adjacent ones? Here you can observe there are 4 रंग वेगळा समजायला बरं. Okay, there are 4 adjacent ones. So you have to group them together. You have to group them together. This is called as a chord. This is what is your chord is. Let us indicate it by Q. Okay, Q means chord. And you can observe there are 2 pairs here. Pair means 2 adjacent ones. Okay, let us use another color for this. So this is one pair and this is another pair. Okay, let us call this as P1. Let us call this as P2. So this is P1 and this is P2 and this is Q. Now what you have to do? You have to find out the equation for P1, P2 and Q. And finally you have to find the output equation. Okay. So as all of you know that chord can eliminate how many variables? Can anybody tell me? Chord can eliminate how many variables? Chord can eliminate how many variables? Can anybody tell me? See, pair can eliminate one variable, chord can eliminate two variables, and octet can eliminate three variables. And the variable whose value is changing in a given group, then that variable must be eliminated. Okay. Now, if you observe this chord, you can see here the variable C remains constant. It won't change. But if you see these two variables, they are changing. A bar is changing from A bar to A. B bar is changing from B bar to B. And therefore, both variables A and B, they are going to eliminate, or we are going to drop these two variables. So what will be the equation for chord then? Equation for chord will be merely C. There are three variables out of which two variables are dropped and only one variable remains, and therefore equation for chord will be equal to C. Okay. Now let us write equation for pair 1 and pair 2. So as I told you, pair can eliminate only one variable. Okay, only one variable. Now, if you observe this pair, here you can observe that both A and B, they remain unchanged. There is no change in the value of A and B. There is only change in the value of C, because if you go from this point to this point, C bar becomes C. Therefore, the value of C is changing. Therefore, we have to eliminate or drop this variable. So C is cancelled. Okay. So what remains here is A bar B. So what is P1? P1 is equal to A bar B. A bar dot B. Okay. Now similarly for P2. Similarly for P2, here also you can observe the variable C is only changing. It is changing from C bar to C. Therefore, we have to eliminate or drop the variable C. What remains is A and B, and that is A B bar. Okay. So it will be A dot B bar. So equation for chord is C, pair 1 is A bar B, pair 2 is A dot B bar. Now what will be your output then? Then output will be equal to Y. Let us call it as Y. And this Y will be equal to your chord plus pair 1 plus pair 2. Because this is sum of products. What we have obtained here, we have obtained products, and in order to form sum of product equation, we have to add these terms. Okay. So finally what we are getting is C plus A bar B plus A B bar. So this is our simplified equation. A dot B. Okay. So this is what is the required simplified equation. So this is very, very important. Okay. Now we have to draw logic diagram for this. Okay. So in order to form A bar, we will require one NOT gate. In order to form B bar, we will require one more NOT gate. In order to form product A bar dot B, we will require AND gate. In order to form product A dot B bar, we will require another AND gate. And to add these terms, we will require OR gate. So two NOT gates, two AND gates, and one OR gate. Okay. So this is what we require in order to realize the expression. So let us draw the diagram of this. Okay. So I will be drawing here 3 lines first related to 3 variables. One is A, another is B, and another is C. Okay. So, yes. This is A, B, and C. Okay. So I am using two AND gates. This is one AND gate. This is another AND gate. Second one. And this is given to OR gate. OR gate. Okay. Now, let us see how to do this. What is our first term? It is A bar B. Okay. So we are taking connection from A, but it is not A, it is A bar. So here you have to add NOT gate. Okay, here you have to add a NOT gate. So that it becomes A bar. Okay. And another variable is B directly. So here I will have to draw B line. Okay. So output of the first AND gate is A bar B. A bar B. Okay. Now for second AND gate, A is directly taken. इथे गोल गोल करायचं बरं का जिथं कनेक्शन आहे तिथे. इथे आता मला एवढं व्यवस्थित करता येत नाही. म्हणजे इथे कनेक्शन आहे हे कळतं. ओके. आणि बी बार, देर इज बी बार. So draw a line from B wire, but here there should be inverter because this is not B, but it is B bar. Okay, this is our NOT gate. So output of the second AND gate is what? A dot B bar. Okay, you should provide C to OR gate because to these two terms we have to add the variable C. So this is third input. So this is C. Okay. So what will be this output? This output will be C plus A bar B plus A B bar. तरी आलेलं दिसतंय. आता हे समजलं का सगळ्यांना सगळं? मला सांगा. समजलं का?
येस मॅम.
हे लिहून घेताय का माझ्यासोबत?
हो मॅम.
लिहून घ्या. ज्यांनी लिहून घेतलं नाही त्यांनी स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या. पण ते स्क्रीनशॉट विसरायला होतात हे लक्षात ठेवा. सोबत वही ठेवत जा आणि मी जे जे काय काय सांगते ते लिहित जा तुम्ही. म्हणजे तुमच्या दृष्टीने ते बरं राहील. याचा स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या. घेतला का? y इक्वल झालं.
हो मॅम.
हा, मग आता अजून एक एक्झाम्पल घेऊ आपण. हा, मी हे क्लिअर करू.
येस मॅम.
आता मला एकदा बघू दे किती जण नवीन आलेले आहेत. बरेच जण आलेले दिसत आहेत मला. स्क्रीनशॉट आता पुन्हा मी तुम्हाला स्क्रीन शेअर करते अँड वी विल टेक वन मोर एक्झाम्पल. simplify the Boolean expression using K-map. ते एक्सप्रेशन दिलंय. आता मगाशी ट्रुथ टेबल दिलेलं होतं, आता काय दिलंय आपल्याला? एक्सप्रेशन दिलंय. ओके, किती टर्म्स आहेत? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here I am going to type the expression y is equal to झालं टर्म्स 1 2 3 4 आणि 5 झाल्या. अजून एक टर्म आहे A B C. मी ह्याच्यावरती बार ड्रॉ करेल म्हणजे मग तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की ते नेमकं कुठे बार आहे. ओके, तर पहिली टर्म आहे A बार B बार C बार. सेकंड टर्म इज A bar B C bar. Third term is AB C bar. Okay. Fourth term is A B bar C bar. Next term is A bar B C, and next term is ABC. Okay. So this is what is Boolean expression which is given to you, and we have to simplify this Boolean expression by using a K-map method. So what will be our first step? Can anybody tell me what will be our first step? बोला. What will be our first step? काय केलं पाहिजे सुरुवातीला? मुलांनो बोला, सुरुवातीला काय केलं पाहिजे?
ट्रुथ टेबल.
नाही, ट्रुथ टेबल नाही. इथे एक्सप्रेशन दिलंय आपल्याला. त्या एक्सप्रेशन दिलेल्यावरूनच आपल्याला के मॅप काढायचंय. ओके, ट्रुथ टेबल नाही काढत बसायचं. ट्रुथ टेबल दिलं असेल तर ट्रुथ टेबल वरून सुद्धा के मॅप काढता येतो. बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन दिलेलं असेल तर बुलियन एक्सप्रेशन वरून सुद्धा आपल्याला के मॅप काढता येतो. ओके, सो इन प्रिव्हियस एक्झाम्पल we have seen that how to draw K-map by using truth table. So here we are going to study or learn how to draw K-map by using a Boolean expression. Okay, how many variables are there here? How many variables are there? 3 variables. So we have to draw a K-map in 3 variables, isn't it? Draw K-map. So this will be our first step. So मगाशी काढलं होतं तसंच के मॅप काढायचं आहे आपल्याला. ओके, Okay. So in order to draw this K-map, here there is no need of writing 0001, etc. Directly you can write it as A bar, B bar. The next term will be A bar, B. The next term will be AB. And fourth term will be A, B bar. A, B bar. Okay. And here we have to write C bar and C. Now, what we have to see is which terms are present in the Boolean expression. And the terms which are present in the Boolean expression, in place of those terms, we have to write logic 1. Okay. So this cell gives you A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay. So there is A bar, B bar, C bar in the Boolean expression, and therefore I have to write 1 here. Okay. What is next term? A bar, B, C bar. So this is your A bar, B, and C bar is here, means this is this location, A bar, B, C bar. This location is A bar, B, C bar. And in this location, as the term is present here, we have to write it as 1. Okay, let us use different colors so that you will understand which term is for what. Okay, so I will use a different color for this. So A bar, B, C bar. So this one corresponds to this. Okay, what is next? A, B, C bar. So this is A, B and C bar. So this term is A, B, C bar, which is present in the expression. So I'm going to write 1 here. What is next term? Next term is A, B bar, C bar. That means this term. Okay, so let us write value there 1. Okay, this is A, B bar, C bar. The next term is A bar, B, C. A bar, B and C. Means this position is there. So let us draw this color for this. A bar, B, C. A bar, B, C. So this will be 1. And last term in this equation is ABC. Okay. This is ABC. So AB and C. So this term is ABC. Okay. So how many terms are present? 6 terms are present. And in 6 cells, we have written logic 1. So what you have to do for remaining places? For remaining places, you have to draw or you have to write logic 0 because these terms are not present in your Boolean expression. Okay. Now, in this case, how you are going to group the cells? Can anybody tell me? Grouping? Yes. Here you can observe there are 4 adjacent ones. So this is forming one chord. Okay. We are not going to form 2 pairs here. Instead, there is one more chord here. This is a group of 4. Therefore, this is also a chord. So 2 chords are formed in this example. Let us call this as chord number 1. And let us call this as chord number 2. Okay. Now, let us write expression for chord number 1. So if you see chord number 1, the variable C bar remains constant, whereas A bar, B bar changes its value. A bar becomes A, B bar becomes B. Therefore, both the variables A and B are eliminated or dropped. So what remains is only C bar. So the equation for Q1 is C bar. Okay. And that for Q2. Now, if you observe for Q2, what you can observe here, C is changing value because this is the shape of chord. So C is changing value here. So C is dropped. And if you observe here, what you can observe, A is changing value from A bar to A. B is not changing. B is not changing. Okay. So A is cancelled, C is cancelled. What remains only is B. Q2 is equal to B. Now let us write Y. Y is equal to Q1 plus Q2, which is equal to C bar plus B. Write it in proper sequence by using commutative law. You can write it as B plus C bar. Y is equal to B plus C bar is your required result. You can observe such a big expression is simplified into such a small expression. Okay. Now for this, we have to draw the logic diagram. How we are going to draw logic diagram? By using OR gate and NOT gate. It is very simple. Yes, I am going to draw OR gate. B is directly given and C is given through NOT gate. So this is B and this C is given here. It becomes C bar here. So input to this is B and C bar. So it will be B plus C bar. This is how we have to draw logic diagram. समजलं का मुलांनो हे?
Yes, ma'am.
हा, लिहून घ्या, स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या. अजून तुम्हाला ह्याच्यावर काही एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करून हवे आहेत का? लेक्चर मध्ये.
Yes, ma'am.
हा, मग उद्याचं एक लेक्चर पण ह्याच्यावरचे एक्झाम्पलच घेऊ आपण. म्हणजे मग थोडस तुम्हाला हळूहळू अजून कसं करायचं असं लक्षात येईल ते. ओके. आता 3च मिनिटं राहिली आहे, तर 3 मिनिटात काही होणार नाही. त्यामुळे आपण काय करू, थांबू. तरी पण तुम्हाला काय अजून शंका असतील तर तुम्ही मला विचारू शकताय तोपर्यंत.
मॅम Q1 आणि Q2 कसे फाइंड आउट करताय तुम्ही?
ते आहे ना, ऍडजेसंट शेजारी जे 1 असतात ना, त्याचं ग्रुपिंग करता येतं ह्याच्यामध्ये. 2 1 एकत्र जवळ असले तर पेअर फॉर्म होते, 4 1 एकत्र असले तर क्वाड फॉर्म होते, 8 1 एकत्र असले तर ऑक्टेट फॉर्म होतं. आणि पेअर एक व्हेरिएबल एलिमिनेट करते, क्वाड 2 व्हेरिएबल एलिमिनेट करतात, ऑक्टेट 3 व्हेरिएबल एलिमिनेट करतात. आणि कुठला व्हेरिएबल एलिमिनेट करायचा? असा व्हेरिएबल एलिमिनेट करायचा की ज्याची व्हॅल्यू चेंज होते, तुम्ही व्हर्टिकली किंवा हॉरिझॉन्टली गेलात तर. ओके, असा व्हेरिएबल एलिमिनेट करायचा. अजून काही शंका? आता ही डायग्राम कशी काढायची हे लक्षात आलं असेल ना तुमच्या? ह्या एक्सप्रेशन वरून ही डायग्राम कशी काढायची?
हो मॅम.
हा, अजून कोणाला काही शंका? मुलांना काही शंका? स्क्रीनशॉट घेतलाय का?
येस मॅम.
हा, हा, असं करू आपण. आय विल स्टॉप शेअरिंग. आणि सगळेजण जरा ऑनलाईन या बरं, बघूया. खूप दिवसात बघितलं नाही तुम्हाला. सगळेजण ऑनलाईन या. कॅमेरे ऑन करा, कॅमेरे. पटापट करा, पटापट. पटापट कॅमेरे ऑन करा. साई आज आलेला दिसतोय. साई साठे. साई साठे. आहे का रे साई साठे? शेजारी. बोला मुलांनो. अरे कॅमेरे ऑन करा ना. साई आहे का? साई साठे.
हो मॅम आहे.
हा, बरं आहे का बाबांना?
हो, आता बरं आहे. आता दवाखान्यात चाललंय परत.
बर बर बर.